My name is Priya Sambani. I am a Sujok therapist. I had made 3 parts of this coronavirus video. This is the 4th part, and in this I am going to suggest you few points to increase your immunity system. So the first point I will show you. It is on the inner side of the hand, on the index finger. You can see it's just on the line, this first joint of the index finger, on the side of this line towards the thumb. This is your first point, LU9. Then below this you can see the next point. This is LU7 point. Then this is your third point. You can see the center. You have to just come below this line on the center, and the first and the second line, this two, between these 2 points there is one point. This is CV6 point. And then on the dorsal side you can see on the middle finger on the sideline of the middle finger, just above the joint towards the index finger, this is stomach 36. It is, you can see it is just above the joint. And then the other point is on the thumb. You can see the center line of the thumb. You can draw one center line. This is the point just below the second joint of the thumb, and one point is beside this point on the inner side towards the index finger side. These 2 points, you have to put white magnet visible on these points. You can see this. One more point I will suggest you on the index finger. It is just on the outer side of the index finger below the second joint. You can see you have to make a half portion of the second joint and the last joint. This is the center of this phalange. Okay, so this is LU4. This will help to increase the oxygen level in your body, and you have to put white magnet visible on all these points. You can see the white magnet visible. I will stick and show it to you. You can see this white magnet visible. You have to put on all the points which I have showed you, and you can use this green color also, and you can apply the green color on this LU4 point on the index finger. The same, this is on the Sujok points, Sujok acupressure points, and the other is on the hand. You can see on this side. If you touch your hand like this, where your nose stick to your hand, this is LU4 point. Okay, you have to just give a pressure on this point, and you can put one butter seeds, or you can put this green color here. This will help you to increase your oxygen level in your body. And then last, not the least, I will show you one mudra for coronavirus. You can have to see this. You have to take your thumb, tip of your thumb, and it will touch the tip of your ring finger and the small finger in this way on the left hand, and you have to touch the thumb to the first joint of the ring finger. See, in this way, tip of the thumb touching the first joint of the ring finger, and this index finger you have to just bend like this, and you have to sit in this way and do deep breathing. Do this mudra for 10 minutes twice in a day regularly to avoid this coronavirus. Thank you so much. Stay connected and try to share all these videos with all your friends and family so that everybody can take advantage of these videos. Thank you so much.